Hi there, this is Angelus, and I just wanted to share this quick video with you guys because I took for granted a lot of stuff. I was just doing a Zoom call with a local book club, and they asked me to speak for them and give my opinion of some books that they were focusing on. And one of them was from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now, I told them that I've been reading that book. I started reading it back, wow, in the 90s, I believe. And I've read it many times, told them that I highly recommend it to help anybody to understand how to manage their wealth and how to invest, primarily how to invest. Now, when I was talking to them, I didn't realize there's a lot of newbies, people who've never read the book. I'm assuming that everybody has read it at least once, has a working knowledge of it. But when I started talking to them and realizing some of the people who never read the book before, they're suffering from the same thing I suffer from, dyslexia. So reading books is difficult for them. I had to use clever ways to read a book so it wouldn't be a problem. Word for word is very difficult for people like us. And so this is a summary of what you're reading. So whether you have dyslexia or not, you don't like to read or you love to read, the gist of the whole book between his rich dad, which was a person who invested in real estate, and his poor dad who, got a degree, went gone to college, got a prestigious job, and at the end of his retirement, got nothing, felt disgraced, humiliated, and financially broke. When you read that book, just keep this in mind. Robert Kiyosaki was attempting to communicate the different mindsets of the middle class poor and the rich. In essence, the middle class poor, it basically talks about going to school, specializing, job security, and retirement with benefits. That's primarily what the middle class and poor are trained to do. I know that's how I was trained when I started out. Now I think more like the other side of the book when he's referring to its rich dad, which is developing a financial IQ. Robert Kiyosaki always used financial IQ as your number one priority. That's a fiduciary responsibility if you want to invest and save. So what does that mean? It means to have courage, be more creative, use creativity in finding ways to invest and create wealth, and money knowledge. Couple that with skill sets, which is the easiest part. The first three were the hardest. That is what would make you a better investor, make you rich, make you wealthy. So in the book, those are the two differences, which is all the ingredients you need for your financial IQ. So with that, let you guys go. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.